Good morning students. Today we will study the new chapter division. You know what is division? Division means repeated subtraction. Division means repeated subtraction. Listen here. 25 divided by 5. How to divide this number in repeated subtraction? Again and again we subtract. Subtraction means ghatna. Okay, listen. 25 minus 5, then you get 20. Again you minus 5, you get 15. Again you subtract 5, you get 10. Again you subtract, you get 5. Again you subtract, you get 0. Then we get the remainder is 0. Then you continue this process. जब तक अपन को 0 मिलेगी, जब तक आप करते रहना ये. Then how many times you subtract this? How many times? कितनी बार आपने subtract किया? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times? 5. That is 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. You say the table of 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25. This is the repeated subtraction, that is division. We don't follow this. We follow the short method here. 24 divided by 7. How to divide this? This, first we divide this. You know the divider? Yeah. 24 here 7. Okay. Then the table of 7 is greater, 2 is greater. Here 2 place, ones and tens. Here 7 is greater, 2 is greater. Which is greater? Greater means better. Which number is greater? 7 is greater. Therefore you take these two number. ये दोनों नंबर आप एक साथ लेना. That is 7 की टेबल कितने बार 24 में गए? The table of 7 how many times go in 24? How many times? 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28. 28 is greater for greater. Therefore, we don't take 28. Then we take 21. How many times gone? 3 times. Then you minus this, subtract this. 1 take away from 4. 4 में से 1 minus करने आपको. कितने मिला आपको? 3. We get 3. Then 2 take away from 2, we get 0. Now you listen here. This answer is called quotient. This answer is called quotient. This left ये reminder. ये बाकी को क्या कहते हैं? Reminder. Then किस नंबर को अपन डिवाइड किया? This is divisor. किस नंबर को अपन? ये डिविडेंड. Here 24 is dividend. 3 is our, the answer is our 3 is quotient. Her reminder, this 3 is reminder, this 7 is our divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder and divisor. You understand? One more question. (37 divided by 5). How many times gone? 7 times. Here 7 is our quotient. Then 2 is our remainder. Then 37 is our dividend. Then 5 is our divisor. Understand you? Now we study the properties of division. What are the properties of division? First property, division by 1. We divide by 1. Any number we divide by 1, the quotient is the number itself. The number khud. That is, for example, 25 divided by 1. First property is division by 1. We divide by 1. Any number we divide by 1, the quotient is, the answer is the number itself. That is the number khud. What is the answer? 25. Understand you? Again, 18 divided by 1. What is our answer? 18. Then 17 divided by 1. What is our answer? 17. Which property is this? Which property? Property of division by 1. Divide by 1. Any number we divide by 1, the answer is the number itself. Itself means number khud. Then second property is a number divided by itself. A number divided by itself. A number divided by itself, the result is 1. A number divided by itself, the result is 1. That is, for example, 7 divided by 7. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. Understand? Again, 15 divided by 15 is equal to 1. Again, 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. Which property is this? Divide by number itself. We get 1 is our result. Understand? कोई नंबर उस नंबर से डिवाइड करते तो we get which result is 1. Then division 0 divided by any number. Next, 0 divide by any number. 0 divided by any number, we get 0. 0 divided by any number, we get 0. For example, 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0 divide 5 is equal to 0. Understand you? Then 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0. Then 0 divided by 3 is equal to 0. Understand? Then 0 divided by 11 is equal to 0. Which property is this? Property of 0. Okay. Next, divide by 10. Divide by 10. Listen. Look here. 27 divide by 10. क्या है क्वेश्चन? 27 divide by 10. First we divide. 27 come in inside, then 10 come in outside. Okay. Then the table of 10, how many times gone in 27? First you say the table. 10 1 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 10 3 ja 30. 30, we want 30. 30 is not here. But how many times gone? Only 2 times. 10 1 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 10 3 ja 30. 30 is bigger than 27. Therefore, 30 is not coming. We don't take in 30. We take only 20. How many times gone? 2 times. Then subtract. 0 take away from 7, that is 7 minus 0. 7 में से 0 को minus करो आप. कितने? 7 then 0. What is our quotient? 2 is our quotient. 7 is our remainder. This quotient we do in short method. That is 27 divided by 10. 27 divided by 10. We divide by 10. We remove 1 digit from the right hand side of the number. 10 से divide करने के लिए right hand is this. right hand side में से एक digit को हटाना. समझ में आ रहे? 27 divide by 10. 10 से divide करने के लिए कितनी digit को हटाने? 1. That is ये this 7 को हटा दो आप. What is your answer? Quotient is, this is our remainder, this is our quotient. What is your quotient? Quotient is equal to 2, remainder is equal to 7. You understand? Again, 48 divide by 10. 10 से डिवाइड करने के लिए हाउ मेनी डिजिट को रिमूव करने हैं? 1 डिजिट को. 1 मीन्स विच डिजिट को हटा देने आप? 8 को. दिस 4 is our quotient. Quotient is equal to 4. Remainder is equal to 8. You understand? Yes, these are the properties of division. Thank you.